In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the WordPress admin password direct through the database. So first of all, you have to log into your hosting account and go to phpMyAdmin and log into the area. Then once you reach phpMyAdmin, you have to select your database which is associated with your WordPress installation. In my case, it's wp_test_db, but in your case, it's going to be something different. If you're not sure how to find database, I have another video on my channel where I explain how to do so. So let me go ahead and expand the database, and in the search field, in the filter, let's type in the following: users. So you should look for the table wp_users and open it. In here you should see all the user account details here. In my case, I only have one account, my test WordPress website, so it's admin. So let me go ahead and just click on the edit button, and we'll reset the password. Okay, so it has loaded. In here you have to look for the user_pass, and under the function, click on the drop down and select MD5, and the value, just clear it and type in the new password. Let's call it new pass. We're going to change it later on. This is just for example purposes. New pass, and let's click go. So the password has been changed. Now let's go to WordPress admin, and let's try to log into the area. So username is still admin and password is new pass login. Perfect. We just logged into the dashboard. So now let's go ahead and actually change the password one more time, but through the dashboard, and make it stronger. So look at top right corner and click on the admin and scroll a bit down where you see account management, and then just simply click on set new password, and let's use the strong auto-generated password here. Let's copy it and let's update profile. Okay, so we just resetted the password twice. So let's go ahead and log out, and let's try to log in with the stronger password we just created. Let me paste it here. Here it is, and log in. Perfect. So that's it. That's how you change the password through the database. So I hope you found this WordPress tutorial useful, and for more tutorials, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.